Hello guys, and welcome back to another adventure with Hiking with Jackie Boy. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Joanne. We are here at the Texas Travel Buffalo Ranch, Floresville location. Today they are holding their open house. We're here to meet the buffalo, socialize, have fellowship, and right behind me is the buffalo. Did you want us to stop or? Oh, okay. That's Lucille. A baby bison. Yes, they had their first baby here at the ranch location in Floresville. And it's pretty exciting. It's their first bison born here. They're also known as the red dog. And if you look between the two bison, the one standing up and one laying down, you can see the baby laying on the ground. So we're hoping maybe the baby will get up and run around a little bit.
Okay. The honey mesquite in flower. It is in the legume family, and the beans are edible. Native peoples of the Southwest would grind the beans into a flour. I have tasted the flour of the mesquite, and it's quite good, and it has a natural molasses type taste to it. The wood from this tree is also used for custom furniture and mostly for barbecuing. Huisache, also in the legume family, puts on a similar looking flower to the mesquite, and it's quite fragrant. Other than being a xeriscape plant, I don't know of many uses of it.
Hi, I'm Joanne, as y'all know. We're here at the Texas Travel Buffalo Ranch in Floresville, Texas. As y'all know, I am on their board of directors, and I am so honored for that title, for that privilege. I was just talking to Lucille, who is the owner and the founder of the Texas Travel Buffalo Project, and she surprised me with a gift bag.
presence today, and I hope that you continue coming around Texas Tribal Buffalo Project. Come get involved in our programs of curriculum. We have more programs coming down the pike of learning how to be meat processors, because as we're working towards becoming healthier, we also need the socio-economic justice. We deserve to be paid a living wage. We deserve to not always be on food stamps and going to the food bank, but I'm so grateful for the food stamps and the food bank that helped me when I was a single mom. I'm so grateful, and that's a big reason why we are definitely always giving to food banks and the meat for the moms. But
well, Lucille had mentioned about him giving a prayer. Since it's ceremonial, I will not record it. Out of respect to the Texas Tribal Buffalo Project and to Native beliefs. Hey, boondocking with Dennis. Rusty stuff.
Hi.
Thank you, Lucille, for allowing us to be at one of your fine events again.
Thank you for being here, and thank you for bringing our beloved Board of Directors member, Joanne. I'm so grateful to Joanne and yourself for all the support that you always give us. This truly is a project of love, and it takes all of us working together, and I'm so grateful for your support.
Yeah, and it's also completely women-run, isn't it?
It's predominantly Texas Indigenous women, yes, and a few awesome guys that support the work we do.
Okay, thank you again.
Thank you.
Well, this finishes up another amazing event at the Texas Tribal Buffalo Ranch.
Yes, and if you would like information on all future events, please follow the link in the description and it will lead you to where you can sign up for the monthly newsletter.
Well, I would like to thank Lucille for having us out here to this wonderful place. Well, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.